asingeneni ku hot topic yetu ya namhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG Nasaki G. I'm a married man with 2 kids. I am 40 years old and my wife is 34 years old. We have been married for 5 years now. So nyaya yangu yakamira so. When I married my wife, she wasn't going to work. Even when we were dating, I could tell that she had her things together, although I said basa. Pandakarora, that's when she opened up about the wealth in her family and businesses that were founded by their late grandfather. So she is the breadwinner. The only difference is she doesn't go to work and has minimal contribution to the businesses since they pretty much run themselves with the structures in place and management from her parents. I live a good life, an above average lifestyle, and I have my wife to thank for that. So my mother started rekukumbira mari a year into my marriage. It's not like I don't buy her groceries or give her an allowance. I think kukudzikana chaiko. The first few years I would make a plan. Kana kukwereta. She would ask for $300 or even $500. Ndobvunza kuti ndeyei. She will say, I need things for my house. Nekuplot. So I got to a time yekuti ndairemerwa and could no longer afford. So I would ignore her request. She then started asking murora wavo mari. Ndisingazvizive. And she would ask her those same amounts that don't make sense for munhu ari kuchengetwa nevana vake vese. I found out after my wife came to see me saying, Mama needs money. Kana muinayo, please send her ndozokupai. I interrogated her kuti zvakatanga rini, and it had been going on for a while. KVG, I don't make a lot of money zvekudaro in the relationship, and I think it's unfair kuremedza mukadzi wangu by allowing my mom to take advantage of her. I spoke to Mama kuti vasakumbire mukadzi wangu mari and realized that she thinks since my wife asingaende kubasa ari kudya mari yangu akagara. 2 months ago, vakadzokera kutsika yavo futi and my wife told me and I blocked her on WhatsApp on both our phones. Now, mafonero avanoita vachikumbira zvinotonyadzisa. Chinondirwadza ndechekuti in the past pavaiita zvese izvi, vaitumira message. She never called. Kana visit zvayo, just one monetary request after the other. So now I hear through my siblings kuti she is saying bad things about my wife and kuti tinovanyima mari tiinayo. Seriously, Ndoitaseiwo. My friend was insisting I tell Mama kuti murora wenyu ndiye ane mari inandina. But why should I explain my financial affairs emu marriage mangu to her or anyone? Unoitawo sei in a situation yakadai, ladies. Please help. Hiyo iho topic yetu ya namhlanje.